everyone! If you're new here, my name is Jamie and I post videos every Sunday. I'm sorry for missing a couple of uploads. I've been unwell, so I've just been recovering and resting as much as I can. So I'll just catch you up on a few things. So Key and I shot the Myers stock take sale. Very exciting because we were waiting for the end of financial year for particular items, and something I really wanted to buy was some new dinnerware. We've had the same dinnerware from IKEA, I think, for years and years, and it was one of those purchases that I didn't even think about when I moved into my first apartment and just needed some plates. This dinnerware set is from the Australian House and Garden, and you can only find it in Myer, and it's called the Esperance dinner set. It's honestly so heavy that I can't even lift it up off the ground. I'm doing a little unboxing. Oh my god, I actually have to stand up. These are the smaller size plates. I love the color. And now we've got like the very shallow bowls, like half plate, half bowl. These are all dishwasher and microwave safe. There's 6 of each item, which is perfect. I think these are especially nice when we have guests over. For 2 people who can't cook really well, we've been hosting a lot. So I'm excited to have these out next time we have company over. The final piece are the larger plates. I was so conflicted about which dinnerware set to get. I don't know why it feels like such a commitment because you don't often replace dinnerware, at least I don't. I also bought a few other dishes, and these are mainly like serving dishes. Oh, I love this. Cute. I thought the green would complement the dinnerware as well. It's the same pattern. Oh, but it's got the oranges in the middle. Man, it's crazy how a plate can bring you so much joy. Key and I recently dog sat for my brother and my sister-in-law while they were in Japan. So we had so much quality time with their doggo Billy, and it was so special, and I was so sad when we dropped her off when they came back from their holiday. But it was really, really nice to dog sit. If I showed these, but these are the wedding presents from my friend Mai. It's so beautiful. These are chopsticks and a little chopstick plate. I've actually been wanting these in particular, and she also got us the ceramic bowl. Oh, you already know how much I love ceramics. They're just so beautiful, and Mai said that they are quite traditional Japanese wedding gifts, so I am just so touched. She brought it all the way from Japan. Friday and I logged off for the week and I got ready. I'm going out for dinner with my mom. We're having dinner in the city and we're going to a candlelight concert and we're seeing the ABBA edition. So excited. We bought the tickets ages ago and we're finally going. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!